Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you are all in good state. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, MS Amir Hussain Dream Coaching Center. In this video, today I'm going to start 7.5 of chapter number what? 7, class 12 maths. So, my dear friends, before going to start this exercise, at first we have need to clear some concept. So, here concept will be applied called what? Partial fractions. Here are some important rules called partial fractions. So let's get started. Okay, this is your some crucial rules by which you can solve the numerical of chapter number 7 of 7.5. So my dear friends, you can see px plus q. This is a linear equations, but in the denominator you can see x minus a, x minus b. Then you have to use this formula, I mean 1 by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Okay, so my dear friends, you can see this is a function. This is a function. This function uh, will be seen in questions of chapter number 5. Then you have to use this type of formula. So when you able to observe in question px plus q is divided by x minus a whole square, then you have to use this concept or this formula. So similarly, in the third, px is equal to qx plus r is divided by x minus into x minus into x minus this formula. Don't be confused. Okay, practice man perfect. You have to practice with me. So student, you can see in the fourth number px square plus qx plus r is divided by x minus a whole square into x minus b. Then you have to use this beautiful formula. Don't be confused, my friends. Please take the patience. Then you have to get some good results by which you can make your career. So fifth number px square plus qx plus r is divided by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. Both are quadratic. Okay, in the numerator and the denominator, okay, both are what? Quadratic. Then you have to use this formula. So my dear friends, please subscribe your channel to get further videos. So you can see this is a question of chapter number 7 of 7.5, question number first. You can see you have to take the question of 7.5 and you have to resemble with this formula which we have already done. So my dear friends, you can see this is a concept. Okay, this is a function, this is also function. You have to resemble with this and you have to thinking that which one of the then you can see here x is divided by x plus 1 into x plus, this is look like what? For x plus 1 you can use 1 by x plus 1 and plus x plus b by x plus 2. Then you have to use this here. Simply we take the LCM. Okay, and this x plus 1 will cancel out with this, and to 1 and x plus 2 will multiple, plus similarly x plus 2 and x plus 2 will cancel out and remaining are multiple. So remaining x plus 1 and b will multiple simply. And in numerator, sorry, in denominator x plus 1 and x plus 2 here, x plus 1 and x plus 2 are similar, so that's why it cancels out. So don't be confused. I'm show you proper way with the help of camera. I'm handling my mobile phone with my hand. Please support your channel to get further video. So my dear friends, you can see here x is equal to what? Ax plus 2 plus b x plus 1. So simply we multiple, okay, under the brackets, then we get this type of, okay, please wait, my hand is scrambling. Okay, so you can see here x is multiple with a is multiple with x, also a is multiple with 2, then you get ax plus twice a. Similarly, this plus similarly and bx plus b b, okay, ax plus bx plus b, this b is as it is, yes or no? So ax, you can see ax and bx are similar, so that's why we simply separate it. Okay, so ax plus bx and twice a and b are, okay, so you can see x is equal to x, and we take the common x and under the brackets remaining x, sorry, a plus b and plus twice a plus b. So on compare the coefficient of x, so what is the coefficient here? Coefficient means which number multiple with x. Here 1 is multiple with x, but here a plus b is multiple with what? X, yes or no? So you can see, so a plus b have coefficient 1, so 1, this is considered as equation number 1, and twice a plus b, this is a constant, so there is no any constant, so that's why twice a plus b is equal to 0, and which is considered as equation number 2. So we turn my page. Don't be confused, my friends. So my dear friends, you can see this is equation number first. A plus b is equal to 1 and twice a plus b is equal to 0. Yes or no? So you can see this concept we here applied from class 9 10, addition and subtraction simply. So my dear friends, for cancel outing, just we multiple 2 with equation number 1, so that it gets seems to be what similar, and we will cancel out. So my dear friends, you can see twice a here present, but we have need to convert this a in twice a, okay, by which you can cancel out twice a, okay. So 1 is multiple with 2, you can see twice a plus twice b, okay, and here what 1, when you multiply it with 2 then we get 2, this is equation number, and this is your equation number, new equation number, which is considered as third. So from third, 2 is subtract, so third we have to write in first, so twice b, yes or no? And minus this minus, take here as it is, and for 2 have here twice a plus b and equal to 2 minus 0, yes or no? So twice a and twice a will cancel out because this is in negative and this is in positive, so twice a and twice a will cancel out, and remaining twice b minus b is equal to 2. You can see twice b minus b is equal to 2, and b will comes out 2 as answer. So a plus b what? A plus b is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. So the value of b is 2. So in replace of b we can put 2, and when we convert, then we get minus 2 plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. So you can see main theme is that there is no any critical stress. Okay, there is no any critical stress. Just we find out the value of a and b, and that's it. At first we have need to uh, crack that what type of function this. At first we have need to understood, and then we have to find out the values of a and b simply, and we have to put and you get answer. Okay, so you can see further here, this two a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2, here introduce collection from here. You can see simply our main target or main theme is finding the value of a and b. Just I here already write here main theme. You can see for chapter number 7.5 a b main theme. Okay, you have to remember this as a short tricks. So my dear friends, go further. Okay, so a is a constant, so value of constant -1. You can see -1, just we put the value. And for the b, 2. So a 1 comes out of the integration, and 2 also comes out of the integration, and we get 1 by x plus 2, and this type of. For the formula of it means 1 by x plus 1. Okay, if we able to see in any that let's say 1 by t, then we write log what t. Okay, if you able to get 1 by x plus 1, then we have to use x under modulus x plus 1. So similarly we applied this same formula. So 2 is as it is. For this log x plus 2 is plus c. C means c is an arbitrary constant. Okay, and second number is so easy, because you can see this is x square and minus 3 square. Yes or no? We have to use the formula. Okay, this is the reasonable formula. With this you can see I am going to show you. Please wait a moment. Wait a second. So this is finally able to get this. So my dear friends, this is the formulas. You can see this is called integrals of some particular formula functions. Okay, this is also a function formula we have. You have to remember this. 10 into x minus b. When you do integration, then you get minus log cos of x minus b. You have to just remember. Okay, okay, our main target is we have to solve the equation, question number 2. And question number 2 I already solved here. For saving time, you are a student, you have to save the time. Okay, so my dear friends, 1 by x square minus 3 9, then you can write this type of. I already did you. So 1 by twice a log x minus a x plus b. So what is the value of a? The value of a is here. So you can see here 2 into 3. So 2 is as it is, and value of a, this is a. Okay, 3 is a square, and this is x square. So value of a is 3. You can see 3 log x minus 3 and x plus b. Then you can write 1 by 6 log under modulus 3 x minus 3 and x plus 3 plus arbitrary constant. This is your final answer. If you have any doubt, then you can ask to me with the help of my WhatsApp number already given in your description. So my dear friends, this is equation number third. Okay, at first I take the glance at this question number. So this is your beautiful question number third. Okay, so my dear friends, you can see thus x minus 1 is divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 x minus 3 with the help of partial fractions. This partial fractions is very very important and crucial. You have to remember. So my dear friends, let's get started. Okay, so x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3, this is a formula which is related to this type of. Just to write as a distributive. A by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. So we consumed a line. So however I write here, you can see x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. This is take the LCM. Okay, we take the simply LCM. So for x minus 1 and x minus 1 will cancel out, and remaining what, x minus 2 and x minus 3, these are the remaining. So a is multiple with x minus 2 and x minus 3, you can see here x minus 2 x minus 3 multiple with a. For b, so x minus 2 and x minus 2 will cancel out, and remaining x minus 1 and x minus 3 multiple with b. So you can see b is multiple x minus 1 x minus 3. Okay, don't be confused, don't be confused. Okay, for c, so x minus 3 and x minus 3 will cancel out, and remaining x minus 1 x minus 2 multiple with c, you can see c is multiple x minus 1 and x minus 2. Simply we take the LCM here, simply we take the LCM. Okay, x minus 1 and x minus 1 will cancel out. Okay, will cancel out, and remaining multiple with a. And similarly with happening with b, x minus 2 and x minus 2 x minus 2 will cancel out, yes or no, and remaining what, x minus 1 and x minus 3, just we simply multiple with, don't be confused. So x minus 1 x square, how we get, you can see x is multiple with this x square, and x multiple with minus 3, then you get minus thrice x, and minus, and x is multiple with what, this, and x also multiple with 3, and similarly 2 also multiple with x, then we get minus twice x, and minus will plus, and 2 3 ja 6. Okay, b is as it is, and same the process are applied here, you can see. So x square, x minus 3 minus thrice x, and this x multiple with this, and x also this 3, as the same condition, x minus 1 minus x, and minus minus plus 3, x square, and x is multiple with this 2. This is true, this is 2 2, okay, not true. Okay, so you can see same formula or same process are followed here. So double equal x minus 3x minus 1 x square plus bx square plus c, just to separate it, the similar term. Okay, just to simply separate the similar term, you can see, and say here similar term, 5ax, how we get thrice ax minus twice ax, or when we addition, as a result we get minus 5 of ax minus 4bx, how we get minus thrice bx minus bx, then we get this is, and similarly minus 3cx minus 3cx, how we get minus twice cx, it minus cx, minus minus plus, plus 3cx, but we have remaining some term called constant. This constant, this is mm, this is a constant, uh, thrice b also it's constant, and twice c present at the corner out. Okay, so this is, and thrice x minus 1 is equal, we take the common x square x into under the brackets a plus b plus c, and similarly you can see we take the common minus, here minus minus minus, we take the common minus x, minus 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 also x x x, so we take common similarly, and you get this type of. Another thing is simple, and the thing is that we have to compare coefficient of x and coefficient of x square, okay, which have. So here you can see here coefficient of x means x, the coefficient of x square means which term multiple with x square. Okay, this is called coefficient. So the coefficient of x is 3. Here coefficient of x square means, okay, what is the value multiple with x square? So what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is a plus b plus c. Okay, in the left of the equal you can see the coefficient of what? The coefficient of x is 3. So just we have to what? Compare. So on compare, you can see a plus b plus c is equal to 0, because you can see a plus b plus c, this is the coefficient of a plus b plus c, but there is no any one coefficient of x square, so that's why you have to write 0. And similarly 5a 5b 4b plus c, this is the coefficient of x. Yes or no? Coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x means 5a plus 4b plus c. Here we minus minus we take common. Okay, we have to remember, otherwise it will be going wrong. So there is no any coefficient for x, so that's why you have to write, um, sorry, but there is, oh, this is a coefficient of x, and this 3 is coefficient of x. Okay, we have to write is equal to 3 and this is considered as equation number second. So similarly constant value are present. Here you can see -1 is a constant. This is okay. So you can see simply we adopt some method from chapter, sorry, from class 9 10, addition and subtraction simply. So you can see 3 is multiple with 1, then you get this equation, and this is equation number what? Second. You can see, and we simply add. Okay, simply we add and we cancel out, then you're able to get thrice a minus 5a minus b is equal to 3 plus 0, and minus twice a minus b 3. Okay, so you can see, then you get a new equation, but we have to find out all the values a b c. Yes or no? So that's why we have to need another equation. How we get from, let's say this is equation number 1, and this equation number 1 multiple with 2, then we get twice a twice b twice c is equal to 0, and this is equation number third, and simply we minus. Okay, equation number, what what is this equation number 1? Equation number 1, when you don't subtract from equation number 2, then we get this is. Okay, don't be confused, I am here. Let's say this is equation number third, this equation number third, subtract equation number 1. Okay, 2, then you get equation number third means what? 6a plus thrice b plus twice c. Yes or no? So minus twice a plus twice b plus twice c is equal to what? Here minus is first, so -1, and second minus 0. Okay, so this minus will go in the brackets, then all the terms will convert into negative term. You can see. Okay, then we get twice c and twice c will cancel out, then we get twice 6a plus thrice b, minus twice a minus twice b is equal to -1. Then this 6a minus twice a will subtract, then you get 4a and 3b and minus twice b, then subtract, then you get simply plus b. Okay, is equal to -1. Okay, so this is another new equation. You can see we already get this formula. Okay, so you can see this is equation number what? Fifth, and equation number six. So 6a plus thrice b twice c. This is equation number what? Okay, this same thing I do here. Okay, in the broadly you can see this same process continue here. Okay, okay, then we finally get two equation, yes or no? Fifth and fourth, you can see equation number fifth and fourth. Simply we write again for clarification understanding. So 5 minus 6, you can see. So 5 means what? 5 means this first equation. So simply we write this left terms value twice a plus b. Okay, and minus 4a plus 4b, and minus go in the brackets, then seems to be this like, okay, minus twice, minus thrice 3, minus 3 plus 1, minus 3, this minus is as it is, this term we first write. So that's why uh, in the equation number right side of the equation number we have to write in first position. Okay, and this is minus 1 already present. Also we take the minus, then minus minus will convert into positive, means plus. So b is negative, positive, and b, this b is in negative, so these are will cancel out, and these are cancel out, and twice okay in positive, and these are negative value have more value, so that's why this is converted to negative twice is equal to minus 2, then 2 to cancel out and to get 1. So we are able to get the value of a is 1, so we have to find out the value of b, and similarly c. So proceed, don't be stopped. Okay, till my answer. So twice a plus b equal to minus 3. So already we find the value of a, just we have to put the value of a. When you put the value of a, then we get 2 1s are 2, and b minus 3, and this minus 5. Okay, this go, this 2 when go right side of the equal, then we get minus 5, and then we see this is equation number 1. Okay, this is equation number 1, and all the value are put here except c, because I'm going to find out the value of c. So a 1, b minus 5, then you get minus 4, and you convert into there, then you get 4, and finally get a b c. Okay, and finally get this is, so this is collected from where? Don't be confused. I collected here from from what? From this. Okay, main theme is that just we have to find out the value of a and b, and we have to integration, and then we get answer. At first, at first we have to at first we have to think that what is the formula will be applied here faster. Okay, and second theme is that we have to find out all the value of a b c d and so on. And third number is we have to integration, we have to integration, and they get the answer. Okay, so you can see, just you put a value of a, this is also we can similar this type of, let's say this is this like of, just we have, okay, you have to remove this. Okay, for a better understanding I'm going to teach you. Okay, you can see this is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 integration c by x minus 3, yes or no? Yes or no? So what is the value of a? The value of a is 1, you can see, so we have to put the value 1, x minus 1 plus the value of b is minus 5, so x minus 2 plus c by What is the value of c? 4x minus 3. Okay, we have to write dx because we are doing integration. So let's say 1 by t have integration, then you can write log under modulus t plus c. Yes or no? So similar concept we have to apply here. So log under modulus x minus 1 plus this 5 will come in uh, outside the integration, so minus 5. So integration 1 by x minus 2 plus 4 also come. Okay, you can see. So integration 1 by x minus 3 dx. So you can see log x minus 1, sorry, minus 5, minus plus minus, so 1 by x minus 2, so log x minus 2 plus 4 into log mm, x minus 3. Okay, this is your answer. You can see in full screen. So my dear friends, I am handling the mobile phone with my hand. So however, I upload video for your understanding, for your good future. So my dear friends or dear student, please subscribe your channel to get further proper explanation step by step. Thank you.